so funny. What is it? Oh hell no, we didn't even be around each other that much.
What is it?
We be around each other so much we starting to look alike. That's what you said?
I don't even know.
They said 10,000 billion trillion. That's what you said for real? That don't even make sense, bro. You just be making shit up. What the fuck? That's a lot of zeros. Don't make me answer that over the camera.
For real? How was that? Hold on, I gotta turn my brightness up. Never mind, my brightness was up.
Hey, babe, why one of the comments on one of my videos is like, Brandon, cut it out, there's kids on this app. Why I was gonna do a video to the video saying I'm here trying to make my own. So what the fuck you talking about? Nah, fine.
Y'all, put this down. Put this down before I get banned.
What's up, son? Why you pushing it?
No, I'm not. I was sucking it in.
No, you wasn't, but you was pushing it.
Look, I was sucking it in and I did not stop. They be waiting for niggas to get up. Y'all, these birds down here is crazy.
Are we fries and a triple? You guys go enjoy, guys.
Excuse me, can I get blue cheese, please?
Blue cheese, of course.
And ketchup.
Oh, I need a napkin.
I might tell you a joke. Oh, yeah. I'm glad I'm not scary. Because I felt your hair on my arms. And I was about to jump. So I thought it was a bug.
I'm gonna go over there with my food for these
Smash it.
birds.
Damn, take some. Look at you.
I know.
Can't even fit.
Knocking stuff down. This looks good, don't it?
What is
I
that?
don't know. Wait. God is good, God is good, and we think
You're
I'm
not gonna hold hands?
Oh.
Go ahead, pray.
God is good, and we think I'm far food. By his all thank you, so I daily bread. Amen.
Amen.
Ask for a refill.
Excuse me. Hey, boss, can you get a chance to get a refill?
And I want to change this. And then can I change this to strawberry?
Thank you.
Okay, thank you.
Oh, you want two strawberry lemonade?
Yeah,
Yeah, that's sweet as hell. Like, that's extremely sweet.
Thank you.
Bro, what?
I gotta take these beans out. Y'all, this is good.
What is that?
I don't know. It's like a... No, it's not. It's like a I don't know. Some type of Mexican something. Is this ranch?
Looks like it.
The bases is crazy. Y'all, I got this from a jeweler last year in Tampa. I got it from the mall and the jewelry store.
You need drinks and what else? Or something else?
No, I was just too sorry though, man. And what you said? You ain't saying that?
No.
Okay, so I'll bring lemonade to you.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.
So everybody keep asking me, I don't know, I can't remember what store I got this from, but it's in the mall, the jewelry in the mall. Jeweler. Why'd I say jeweler? A jeweler in the mall. I don't got a favorite artist no more. What this is? The egg roll? Look. You said an egg roll.
I ain't gonna do you like that. Look cute. Cause I was recording you just then.
What I look like? I look stupid. Let me see. Oh my god.
Would it be weird for a bird to eat a chicken?
Bruh, okay, now they coming crazily. Like, I'm so serious. What the heck is going on? You not scared?
I'm from Florida, baby.
And these niggas just eat like it's regular. Why they wanna come around? Brandon know he wrong, cause I was already scared. Oh my! Okay, I'm sorry. I'm so sorry. All right, you feel like we trade spots?
Yo, nah, bro. Y'all see her?
You didn't see how close that bird was?
Yes, I saw it. But why you so scared?
Cause, bro,
They not gonna bite you.
you don't know what they do.
Y'all get her, bro.
I'm okay now. Who is doing food?
Come on, bro. Come on, scary cat. Switch seats. Say trade spots. Them motherfuckers right behind you.
But they ain't gonna eat none. Look what you made me do.
I didn't make you do shit. You did that. Scary ass. I'm about to take that pasta to go. I just realized it's not even my main food. What the fuck? Why we always do that? We do that every time.
We'll have some for later. You're not even recording.
I was so focused on the food. I'm hungry. So yeah, okay, food came. Okay, ain't nothing in my beer. Bet. She's scared of birds and shit. Nasty. Birds been all over here. We switched seats and all, but she's scared of the fucking.
Give me one.
I appreciate it.
Thank you.
The food should be awesome.
Hey, can we just get them into go boxes? Because I ain't gonna lie, we forgot all about it. Thank you.
Thank you. Give me one. A small one. Right there. Thank you. No.
Not you wiping it off. She did.
I don't like ranch. I mean,
Not ranch.
Oh! Blue cheese. I don't like cheese.
It's the best. You don't like cheese, but you be digging it.